The red dust settles slowly. A hush falls over the landing site, a moment of profound silence. The first humans to set foot on Mars take in the breathtaking desolation, a stark contrast to the vibrant blue planet they left behind. This is it, the culmination of centuries of dreams, of scientific endeavor, of an insatiable human thirst for exploration. But this is not the end. It is just the beginning of a new chapter. The first tentative steps on Martian soil mark the dawn of a new era for humanity. We are no longer simply observers of the cosmos, but active participants in its unfolding story. The initial habitats, gleaming under the faint Martian sun, represent not just shelter but a foothold of human ingenuity in this alien world. They are the seeds of a future civilization, a testament to the enduring human spirit and determination. We have always looked to the stars, driven by a deep-seated curiosity, a need to understand our place in the grand tapestry of the universe. Now, as we stand on the precipice of establishing a permanent presence on another planet, we are about to answer some of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Can we thrive beyond the confines of our home planet, Earth? The answers lie ahead, waiting to be uncovered beneath the crimson sky of Mars. The journey to Mars is just the first step in a much longer and more profound voyage. This voyage is not just about the physical distance traveled, but about the monumental leap in human evolution and societal development that it represents. The transformation from Earthlings to Martians. This transformation will be both a physical and a psychological journey, as humans adapt to the new environment and begin to see themselves as inhabitants of Mars. This is not simply about adapting to a new environment, but about forging a new identity. The people who make this journey will be pioneers in the truest sense, creating a new culture and way of life on a distant world. The pioneers who brave this journey will lay the foundation for a new society, one shaped by the challenges and opportunities unique to this alien world. They will be the architects of a new civilization, one that must innovate and adapt in ways never before imagined. This transition will be fraught with challenges. The Martian environment is unforgiving, and the path to establishing a stable society will be filled with obstacles. The harsh Martian environment, with its thin atmosphere, frigid temperatures, and constant bombardment of radiation, will test the limits of human resilience. Every day will bring new trials, from the need to secure safe shelter to the constant threat of radiation exposure. The isolation and confinement of living in enclosed habitats will demand psychological strength and social cohesion. The mental health of the colonists will be as critical as their physical health, requiring robust support systems and a strong sense of community. Yet these challenges will also be the crucible in which a new kind of human spirit is forged. The adversity faced on Mars will bring out the best in humanity, fostering innovation, cooperation, and resilience. The Martian colonists will need to develop new ways of living, working, and interacting with each other. They will need to create a society that is not only sustainable, but also thriving, with a strong sense of purpose and community. They will need to create systems of governance, education, and healthcare that are adapted to the unique demands of their new home. These systems will need to be flexible and innovative, capable of evolving as the colony grows and changes. They will need to find ways to sustain themselves, to produce food, to extract resources, and to manage waste, all while minimizing their impact on the fragile Martian environment. Sustainable living will be key, with a focus on renewable resources and minimal waste. In the face of these challenges, the Martian colonists will draw strength from their shared purpose, from the knowledge that they are part of something larger than themselves. Their mission will give them a sense of direction and unity, helping them to overcome the difficulties they face. They will find solace in the beauty of the Martian landscape, in the grandeur of a star-filled sky unobscured by atmospheric interference. The stark beauty of Mars will be a constant reminder of the extraordinary nature of their mission. And in time, they will come to think of themselves not just as humans who have traveled to Mars, but as Martians, a new branch of the human family tree, forever linked to the red planet that they now call home. This new identity will be a source of pride and unity as they build a new world together. As the Martian colony grows from a small outpost to a thriving community, the question of governance will inevitably arise. The initial stages of colonization will likely be focused on survival and establishing a stable environment. However, as the population increases and the infrastructure becomes more complex, the need for a structured political system will become more pressing. How will this new society organize itself? Will it mirror the political systems of Earth, Or will it forge a new path shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of life on Mars? The harsh and unforgiving environment of Mars will necessitate a system that is both resilient and flexible, capable of adapting to unforeseen circumstances. The answers to these questions will have profound implications for the future of the Martian civilization. The governance model chosen will influence everything from daily life to long-term survival strategies. It will determine how resources are allocated, how laws are made and enforced, and how conflicts are resolved. One possibility is that the Martian colony will initially be governed by the nation or corporation that funded the initial mission. This could mean a top-down approach where decisions are made by a central authority, potentially leading to a more efficient but less democratic system. However, as the colony grows and becomes more self-sufficient, there will likely be a push for greater autonomy. The settlers, having established their own way of life, may seek to govern themselves, free from the control of distant Earth-based entities. This could lead to the establishment of a representative democracy, with elected officials representing the interests of the Martian people. Elections could be held to choose leaders who are accountable to the populace, ensuring that the government reflects the will of the settlers. Alternatively, the Martian colony could adopt a more decentralized form of governance, with decisions made at the community level through consensus building and direct democracy. This grassroots approach would allow for greater participation from all members of the society, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility among the settlers. This approach would be well suited to the challenges of life on Mars, where adaptability and innovation will be essential for survival. The ability to quickly respond to new challenges and opportunities could make the difference between success and failure in such a harsh environment. Regardless of the specific form it takes, the Martian government will need to address a wide range of issues, including resource allocation, environmental protection, conflict resolution, and relations with Earth. The scarcity of resources on Mars will require careful management to ensure that all settlers have access to the essentials needed for survival. It will need to balance the needs of the individual with the needs of the community, and it will need to do so in a way that ensures the long-term sustainability of the Martian civilization. The success of the Martian society will depend on its ability to create a fair and just system that promotes cooperation and mutual support among its members. The lessons learned on Mars could even provide valuable insights for improving governance on Earth. As the Martian colony matures, it will inevitably develop its own unique culture, a blend of earthly traditions and Martian innovations. This new culture will be a testament to human adaptability and creativity, showcasing how we can thrive in even the most challenging environments. This new culture will be shaped by the challenges of living on a new planet, by the shared experiences of the Martian people, and by their evolving relationship with their homeworld. The daily lives of Martian colonists will be filled with unique routines and practices, born out of necessity and ingenuity. One of the most significant influences on Martian culture will be the need to adapt to the planet's environment. The harsh conditions of Mars will demand innovative solutions and a spirit of resilience from its inhabitants. The scarcity of resources, the hostile climate, and the constant threat of radiation will necessitate a focus on practicality, efficiency, and self-reliance. Martian colonists will have to become experts in resource management, finding ways to recycle and repurpose materials to ensure their survival. These values will likely be reflected in all aspects of Martian life, from architecture and design to art and music. Martian architecture will be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, designed to withstand the planet's harsh conditions while providing a sense of comfort and beauty. At the same time, the Martian colonists will also bring with them their own cultural heritage, their own traditions, beliefs, and values. These elements will serve as a bridge to their past, providing a sense of continuity and identity in their new environment. These will be passed down through generations, evolving and adapting to the Martian context. Children born on Mars will grow up with a unique blend of earthly and Martian influences, creating a new cultural identity that is distinctly their own. Over time, a rich tapestry of cultural expression will emerge, reflecting the diversity of human experience on both Earth and Mars. Festivals, art exhibitions, and community gatherings will celebrate this new Martian culture, fostering a sense of unity and belonging among the colonists. This fusion of earthly traditions and Martian innovations will give rise to a new kind of identity, the Martian identity. This identity will be characterized by a deep connection to the Red Planet, a spirit of exploration, and a commitment to sustainability and innovation. Martians will see themselves as distinct from Earthlings, shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of their new home. They will develop a sense of pride in their ability to overcome adversity and create a thriving community on Mars. They will be pioneers, explorers, and innovators, bound together by a shared sense of purpose and a deep connection to the Red Planet they now call home. This shared experience will forge strong bonds among the colonists, creating a tight-knit community that values cooperation, resilience, and ingenuity. The Martian identity will be a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity, showcasing our ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive in even the most challenging environments.